Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to send booking confirmations in your Wix Studio website. So here I am in my Wix Studio website, and first you need to have a page dedicated for bookings. For example, I already have different booking pages, and I have the services page right here so that customers can book appointments within my website. But if you don't have this, so a quick way to add them is to go here to add elements and scroll down to bookings, and then you have different choices right here to use for your booking section in your website. So after you have done that, we will just go to the dashboard, and it will bring us to this dashboard right here for our website. And then once you're here, just scroll down from the sidebar and then click on settings. And then after that, scroll down again and click on booking settings. And then from here, we will click notifications you sent. So this will be the area where we will send customers the booking confirmations. So we have two options. We have SMS or text messages. But in order to use this, you need to have a paid plan. So since we're using a free plan, we'll just stick to emails only. And then from here, you have the default booking confirmations that you can do to your customers. So don't worry if you make one, or if you make the booking confirmation section in your website, this will be automatically added to your settings, to your booking settings. And then from here, we can just click the first one, the send clients an email confirmation when they book. You can click on edit so that we know what it looks like. And then from here, after it has finished loading, we have our trigger, action, and then the condition for sending the customers the emails. So I can click on this box right here, and then it says notify if the participants will be notified via email. So it will check if it is true and check if it is false. So if it proceeds to be within the criteria, then it will send the customer an email. So that we can now click on this, and then we can see the details for the customer booking confirmation email right here. So you have the email subject, and then we have some email attachments, email type, then also recipients, and right here. So if you want to edit the email, you can click on edit, but you need to add the details first of your email. So I won't be doing that for now. And then if you want to change the template of your email, you can do that as well. But again, you need to also put the email that you will be using. And then after, if you are finished editing your email, you just click on more actions and then click on preview and test. So from here, we can see what the email looks like when it is sent out to the customer. It looks like this. And you can also check the mobile version as well. If you want to test the email, so we can use a send test email. And then we will insert our details right here. So you can use your own email that you want. But for this video, I will use a website called TempMail. So it sends the emails right here on a temporary email address. So I will just copy this temporary email address right here, and then we will go back, and then let's just paste this here. And you can also change the subject if you want, but I'm fine with this, so let's just click on send. And then the test email was sent successfully. So we'll go back to that mail, and then we will see that we already have our booking confirmation email right here. So I can click on it, and then we can see that the booking confirmation is the same as the one that is displayed on our Wix Studio website. So that is it for sending booking confirmations in Wix Studio. And if you want to edit the specific details, again, just go back to this area right here where you can edit the flow of your action. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.